We are discussing about GATE 1995 ECE paper, and this is 2 marks question related to JFET. And the question is, match the following type, and one side it is given as the pinch off voltage decreases, transconductance increases, transit time of carriers in the channel is reduced. So with the help of what effect these three things are going to be happening? So there are 5 possibilities are given. First one on the right hand side is the channel doping is reduced, channel length is increased, and the conductivity of the channel increases, the channel length is reduced, the gate area is reduced. Out of these 5 possibilities we have to match the related ones for the ABC. Okay, so we know that one JFET is nothing but junction field effect transistor, and whose symbol is nothing but this is for N channel JFET. Okay, N channel JFET is nothing but drain and source are of N type, and gate is of P plus type. Gate is of P plus type. Even though there are both gates, 2 gates are going to be there, but they are internally connected. That connection is shown explicitly with the help of this line, but they are internally connected. But only for clarification purpose we have shown it outside. And now pinch off voltage. Pinch off voltage is nothing but, if you are going to be applying a drain to source voltage, let us assume this is the voltage we are applying, drain to source voltage, so VDS. Whenever we are applying a VDS, at that time some current flows, that is nothing but ID, drain current. The same current is also flows in source. The current is flowing in this direction, it is flowing in this direction. So the same current is going to be entering into source also, so that drain current flows from drain to source, and it is going to be collected by this negative terminal of the battery. So as VDS increases, initially the drain current is going to be increases. Okay, but this drain current is going to be depending on the channel length. This is the channel width as well as it is depending on the region between 2 P plus gates. That is what we can say it as channel width. Okay, it is depending on the channel width. So by that time, so if it is going to be maximum, at that time more current is going to be flows. It's going to be looks like a tap and tank analogy. You can think that one, there is a water tank which is filled with water. Okay, by that time if there is a tap over here, and depending on the tap dimension the water flows are going to be coming out. So here it is, this tap dimension is nothing but the region between 2 P plus gates. If it is broader, at that time more current flows. If it is smaller, that is nothing but thinner, at that time small drain current flows. Drain current is going to be directly depending on the area between 2 P plus gates, which is nothing but channel length. Okay, so normally the pinch off voltage with respect to VDS is defined like this. Pinch off voltage is indicated as VP. With respect to drain to source voltage, it is defined as is the minimum amount of drain to source voltage at which drain current becomes constant. For VGS is equal to 0. Minimum drain to source voltage at which ID becomes constant for VGS is equal to 0 volts. Because for JFET we can apply VGS as negative in case of N channel. Gate source junction must be reverse biased to get the high input impedance, which is the one of the ideal characteristic of voltage amplifier. So with respect to this characteristic, JFET is better voltage amplifier compared to BJT. So to achieve high input impedance, which is the ideal characteristic of voltage amplifier, here for JFET always gate source junction is reverse biased. Based on that one you can apply the maximum voltage across gate as 0 volts. If you apply some positive voltage, at that time gate source junction becomes forward bias. But whenever it becomes forward bias, at that time it is the worst device compared to BJT. So always gate source junction of JFET is reverse bias. Okay, so the maximum voltage we can apply is nothing but 0 volts. So whenever you apply that maximum voltage, at that time the channel region is going to be broader, so that maximum current results. And this maximum current is going to be depending on the conductivity of the channel also. So we can say if conductivity is going to be increases, okay, at that time the maximum current is going to be reaches for a small voltages. Here it is, VDS is proportional to ID, but as you are checking, okay, if the conductivity of channel is going to be very large, at that time for small VDS itself you are getting the maximum current. Let us assume IDSS, the maximum drain to source saturation current is 5 milliamperes. This 5 milliamperes if you get, okay, for VP of VDS minimum of 5 volts for example. If conductivity of the channel increases, the same IDSS of 5 milliamperes now appears at maybe at 4 volts or maybe at 3 point something volts. So that implies nothing but if conductivity increases, at that time for a small amount of voltages itself, okay, maximum current can be reached, which is nothing but pinch of voltage. So as conductivity increases, conductivity of channel increases, at that time drain current reaches maximum value for a small voltages. That implies nothing but that is the pinch of voltage reduces. So first option A is nothing but 3. A is matched with 3. Second option, transconductance increases. Transconductance is nothing but it is indicated with GM, whereas maximum transconductance is GM naught, which is nothing but IDSS divided by VP. So here also the same thing, as channel transconductance, that is nothing but as transconductance of the channel increases, okay, as transconductance of channel increases, VP reduces for the given IDSS, so the GM naught is going to be increases. So for B also we can go with the option as 3. B is also option is having 3, and it is also having one more option, which is nothing but the transconductance is going to be increases if gate area is reduced. So gate area, if gate area is going to be reduces also, gate area is reduced is nothing but you are making the channel region wider. Wider channel region is nothing but more current for the same voltage, okay. So by that time transconductance is going to be increases. So we can say that one B is having both options 3 and 5, okay, and A also you can think 3 and 5 also, because for the same region VP is going to be reduces. Next, last option is nothing but transit time of the charge carriers in the channel is reduced. When the transit time of charge carriers in the channel is reduced, transit time of the charge carriers is nothing but the time taken by the charge carriers while moving from drain to source is called as transit time. So whenever you are applying any voltage, at that time the charge carriers, now this is electrons are repelled by this negative terminal, so they are sourced by this source and they are collected by the drain. So that implies nothing but electrons are moving in this direction. They are moving from source and they are ending at drain. How much time they are taking from source to drain is nothing but called as transit time. Transit time is reduced if channel length is reduced. So for C it is 4. Channel length is increased. Transit time is increased if channel length is, transit time of charge carriers is going to be reduces if channel length is reduced. So C4. So transit time, if the channel length is reduced, at that time transit time is going to be reduces, and pinch of voltage is nothing but you can make it as 3 and 5, and here it is also 3 and 5.